YouTube food vlog, baby.
Yeah. Good day. So we here checking out My Mama's Vegan from Baltimore. We got some drinks here: Maya Angelou pineapple mango infused with mint.
Ooh.
Fresh juice.
Thank you.
Some bowling cream soda that was a complimentary she gave me. And we got some cookies here for dessert. Salted chocolate chip vegan pretzel cookies. I'll add the description and the link in the video. This was a Dorito taco. So we're just gonna take a plate. It's like a vegan mukbang here. So first thing we got is a sandwich. I think this is the honey obey hot chicken sandwich. Y'all see that? We're just gonna rip it open. What's that? Chicken sandwich they got.
Oops.
That don't taste bad, people.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And all this is vegan. Got a crunch to it. Got the obey, the honey on it. It's that burger that they have.
Okay, what is this made out of?
It's a vegan burger. Tomato, vegan cheese, onions, vegan bacon on it. It looks like a Beyond Burger.
Yeah, it's pretty thick. You getting a knife?
Yeah. That one's a little bit too messy to try to. We're gonna be proper and cut that one. Vegan Mukkbang. There you go.
Okay.
Y'all can see that. That's like
This is thick.
thick, sloppy.
So, it does. It's good. It does taste like a Beyond Burger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the chicken over that.
Yeah, the chicken has a little bit of an afterbite.
Yeah. I mean, it's alright. It's not.
Yeah. I mean, this just seems like something we tasted before.
Yeah. So, this is the ribs with the collard greens, sweet potatoes, ginger ribs. So, collard greens, I don't know. Let me taste those, see what they're hitting for. A little salty.
Mm-hmm.
Best greens I've had so far is Go Vegan Philly up. That's here actually in Delaware. That's the best ones I've ever had. It's been tasty.
It's very salty. A high vinegar taste.
Mm-hmm. These are good. They have like an orange ginger. The consistency of the meat has a chew to it. I like that. I think it's good.
Small.
And they got like a grilled taste, like you would taste for ribs.
Yeah, it is good. The sweet potatoes are pretty good. Not
I like
too
the
sweet.
Not too sweet, and then they chunky, like it's
Yeah.
still potatoes. It's not mashed all the way down.
Yeah, I like that.
So far, Beyond Burger is like simple. The green's a little bit too salty, minuscule.
Yeah.
The chicken sandwich, honey, that's good. I like the ribs.
So we have ribs,
The
sweet
ribs?
potato, ginger, greens.
No, this is like a ginger rib tip thing. This thing.
Oh,
right here.
ginger rib tip.
Yeah.
Sweet potatoes and
Greens. Mm-hmm.
the greens don't have ginger? Or no?
No.
No, okay.
So as you see, I keep eating these. I like these. My mama vegan, Baltimore, 30th and Greenmount, I think it is. I'll put this description, the address, and everything. Pretty nice people. What you want to try this? This is chicken, like a boba chicken, something like that,
Okay.
with some jasmine rice and mixed vegetable.
Get a little bit of garlic brown.
That got a good taste to it too.
It does have a good taste. Reminds me of like Chinese food.
Yeah, it tastes.
Similar to a Chinese
I'm tasting
food
like
taste.
sort of like a egg foo young.
Yeah.
Egg foo young.
Mm-hmm. The egg foo young gravy.
Right, I'm tasting that in
Yeah.
there. Yeah. And then they got hot peppers in it too. You see them hot peppers?
Oh yeah.
But you don't taste it. It's not spicy. So
Yeah, it's not.
I don't even. I guess you have to eat one of those. It's not even spicy. That is like leaving a spice, but it's good though.
The chicken sandwich is spicier than this.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of like Chinese inspired, I guess.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so this
Billy
is like
John.
beef and broccoli.
Exactly. That's what it is. Beef and broccoli. That's what they call it. Actually.
I'm
Beef
so
and
hungry,
broccoli.
baby. What you got for me?
And all of the
Feed
meats
me
are
something
plant-based.
delicious.
Everything.
Yo, what's cooking?
So you like
YouTube
the
food
taco?
vlog knows
Yes,
all
this
the
is
great
pretty good.
spots.
It has sort of like a cheesy taste or flavor to me.
You want to try one of the sauces?
Okay. What are they?
I don't know. They just gave me the sauces to go. I guess that's salsa, and I don't know what that was. I don't know. It ain't taste bad. I ain't taste the sauce. I
See
just,
the unknown sauce.
is it honey mustard?
It's kind of like a sweet and cheesy. It's not spicy, but it's
No, it's
pretty
not
good.
spicy. It's good. It's just I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. So don't get on me. I don't know.
I don't know. This is good.
So the beef and broccoli, no. The taco, the Doritos tacos, good.
Delicious.
This honey hot chicken sandwich is definitely good.
Yes.
Consistency. I'm kind of biased to those drumsticks because we had them. We was in DC like a year ago. I think it's Solitarian. The video's on there too. Yeah. If I'm gonna do chicken from now on, I prefer to do oyster mushrooms, and then it's another mushroom that they use. I think it's called inari or nori or something. It has more of a consistency of the chicken base. The beef mock rib tips and the greens. The greens wasn't, you know.
Yeah, a little too salty.
But all in all, I'm gonna give them a B. I mean, I'll give them a B for their food, what they got going on. And by no means, like, this is just us, our taste buds, or how we feel about it. It's just an opinion. You may eat this stuff and love it. So please try it. It's a black-owned business. It's in Baltimore City. They're vegan. So, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend. And also, you know, make your dollar spend. Spend your dollar with black-owned, so that way they have black employees in there. They'll pay them, and hopefully they'll spend their dollar with a black-owned. You know, make our dollar go around 3 or 4 times.
Circulating our community with our people.
Yep. And check out, hit that shop button, the Philly Jewin merch. Get you a I'm only here for the food hat or apparel. Subscribe, like, comment. Check us out on all social media platforms, and I mean all, from TikTok to Instagram to Facebook to YouTube. It is what it is. 2021. Stay safe, social distance, still travel. You know, do what you gotta do to stay safe, but eat good. This is the Vegan Mukkbang YouTube food vlog presented by Philly Jewin. Check out the phillyjewin.net, the podcast coming. We're going to put some episodes up there. Maybe we can get some words from the youth, or the youth, whatever you want to call them. Hey. But thank y'all for watching. As always, carry on, people. I'm your host, Abdul. This is Kiana. And let's carry on this journey, 2021. Film production. Yafia. We want to thank her for never being around. Have a good day, people. I'm set.